I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card in the Amazon app. Step 1. Open the Amazon app and then tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your Amazon profile screen opens. Step 2. Tap your account on this screen. The associated screen is displayed. Step 3. Scroll down to the Payments section and then tap Manage Gift Card Balance. A screen opens that shows you your current Amazon gift card balance. Step 4. Tap Redeem Another Gift Card. Step 5. Enter the code associated with the Amazon gift card that you want to claim and then tap Apply to your balance. The next screen will let you know that your gift card has successfully been claimed and you'll be able to see your current gift card balance. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.